So Borrowell is trying to make banking fast, fair, and friendly for Canadians by offering online, instant, personal loans from the comfort of their home or smartphone that most people use to pay off high-interest credit card debt. Because credit card debt's a big problem in Canada. There's $82 billion of credit card debt out there, and everyone gets the same rate for the balance they carry, regardless of their personal credit. Everyone's roughly 19.9% or higher. So what happens with Borrowell is you apply in less than a minute online, it doesn't affect your credit score, and then we offer you an amount and a rate that's specifically based on your credit profile. So if you have good credit and you can borrow in the single digits, you can refinance your expensive credit card debt and get out of debt much faster and pay less interest.
Why wouldn't the banks offer something like this?
Well, I think they're looking at it. I think companies like us are forcing them to evaluate the space. But I mean, if I was a business person making money at 19.9%, which is a great return for high credit individuals, I don't know that they would be at the top of my list to call to refinance. But I'm sure some people take it on themselves and do this with the banks. What we've done is we've used technology, which you can't see on the consumer side, but exists on our side, to take a 2-week kind of clunky in-person process with the banks and turn it into a 60-second online process. It's kind of more in keeping with how people are living their lives today.
How accurate is it?
Accurate is?
In terms of figuring out, if it's the right person that you guys would be able to lend to.
I see.
Is it all based on their credit score?
No, it's not all based. So the system is based on our underwriting algorithm, which was created by our head of credit, who's a veteran of the industry. We use credit score and a ton of data points that we get through the credit pull, but we also have our own proprietary data that we use to make the decision.
What's the long-term goal for you? Is it to integrate more closely with the banks, to be bought by a bank? What's the plan?
I think our long-term goal is just to change the way, the options that Canadians have to bank. I mean, we see ourselves as a financial institution and not a technology company. And in 10 years, we'd like to be a major player in the Canadian banking space, basically helping Canadians get out of credit card debt and also making the loan process a lot easier.
Some people may say that if you have credit card debt, it's 100% your fault, you're an adult, you should be able to deal with it. Do you agree with that statement?
So I completely don't agree that people are completely at fault if they have credit card debt. I think everyone's first dollar of debt typically goes on a credit card. I think the credit card companies have collectively spent billions of dollars educating the market that it's okay to carry credit card debt. And I also feel that people fall into credit card debt. They don't choose credit card debt. A dumb example, but a simple one, is you put a trip on your credit card and you come home and your roof is leaky. And now all of a sudden you need to put 15 grand into the roof and not to the trip. So all of a sudden 30 days go by and you've got that full 15 grand on your credit card. Well, you may be have good income, not use a lot of debt, have really good credit score, but you're still going to be at 20% in interest. And we don't think that's right, and that's why Borrowell, like we say, is trying to make banking faster, fairer, and more friendly.